Hi and welcome my African culture. So dhawaada channelkayga African culture. Today I want to make reaction this video which is about Somali people. They are brave people. Talking about Somali people, they are brave people and they defend their their country. They believe their self and they don't take any shit someone. Yeah, he talking a lot of things about defending their self, their family, their country, and they was yeah. But what I'm telling here it is there's difference Somali man before and Somali man today. Somali man before they was they was helping each other. They have they are yes it become war, they defend their self and they help each other. And they was brave, they was proud of who they are. And, but Somali mean today they was very kind people and help each other and help other people, and they was generous people. If you go outside countryside, you don't need to take something with you. You can come one family, the first family you come, they will give you, food, water, everything, place to sleep. So the people, they move the countryside, without take nothing away, because they know there are people there outside. You can stay someone's house you never meet before. It was, knowing to give, to welcome. The problem is here, Somali man before, they was know what they are doing. They was calculate everything. They don't take a war, go war, nothing. But Somali people today, when Somali have civil war 1991, they should, when Siad Barre gone, they should come together and make a building government. But they don't do that. Everyone wants to get a power and money to put in their box. Why you kill each other? Why you are killing each other? Somali man today, they are killing each other. That is, they killing each other 30 years. And this is not good thing. We can't say we are good, we are brave, we do. The brave is, the braveness is to make a good calculation and bully your country, bully peace, bully happiness for you people, bully education. The children, they need education. The people, they need work. They need peace. Somali man, they have to stop killing each other. Killing each other. As so far as you killing each other, you can't say I'm brave, and you are not brave to killing your brother. Please like and share and follow me.